Welcome to Solidworks tutorial series, part 2. Today we will look at the rectangle. The first one is called corner, and we need to select two diagonal points to create it like this. We can change the type of rectangle from the left tab also. We have multiple type of rectangles we can make using these options. First one is two corner points. Then we can create with the help of center and corner point called as center rectangle. We can also make rectangle using 3 points. Then the next one we have center point rectangle with angular option. And the last one is parallelogram rectangle. We also have option for creating a center line either horizontal or vertical. We can also make a normal line and then convert it to a construction line. Just follow these steps to create multiple types of rectangles available in Solidworks. I hope we are clear with the types of rectangle and the methods to create it. We will meet in the next tutorial with more commands. If you face any doubt, then please use the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.